Compatible with Xfinity Internet Voice Service, certified by Comcast for Xfinity. Not compatible with Verizon, at&t, CenturyLink, DSL providers, DirectTV, Dish and non-xfinity voice services. Save monthly rental fees. Model C7100V replaces your cable modem and Wi-Fi router, saving you up to $168 per year in equipment rental fees. Compatible with Xfinity cable voice plans up to 800 mbps speed. Fast Wi-Fi performance. Get up to 1,800 square feet wireless coverage and 30 devices connected with a C1900 speed, up to 1900 mbps. Versatile connections. 4 gigabit Ethernet ports and 2 USB ports give you fast wired connections to your computer, printer, gamebox, storage drive, and other devices. Voice phone support. For use with Xfinity voice service and up to 2 telephone lines with enhanced call features including caller ID, 3-way conference calling, call forwarding and more. Modem technology. Engineered with 24x8 channel bonding and DOCSIS 3.0. Safe Secure. Includes parental controls, and supports WEP and WPA, WPA2 wireless security protocols. Gaming and streaming. With the AC1900 Wi-Fi, powerful 1.6 GHz combined processor, beamforming plus, and 24x8 channel bonding, you'll enjoy more seamless gaming and streaming with reduced lag and buffering. When you want the best modem router to handle all your high-bandwidth internet activities, Nighthawk has you covered. Top reviews from the United States. Great router. I bought this router as replacement for my Xfinity router and it works great, maybe better than the one I rented.